Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the introduction to Python programming. And today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in software programming and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. And Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python's simple, easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages which encourage program modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are available in source or binary form without change for all major platforms and can be freely distributed. Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used to alongside software to create workflows. Python to connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping and for production-ready software development. Python works on different platforms including Windows, Mac, Linux, and Raspberry. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on the interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way as well. Friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.